have Isa is the sable. Oh, I know. It's all right. And purple color, bicolor is who? Is something faded. So it's either a mola or Imana. Come here, girl. I got you. 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 All right, this is Imana. So this is Imola. Huh. Oh. Good girls. Hi. Hi. Yeah, that's right. Oh my goodness. All right. Come here, girl. Look. That's right. Good girl. I got good girl too, huh? Is you a good girl? Everybody's good girls, huh? I know. Hey, Isa. Get him. Get it. Hey, you're hiding in my shadow. Girlies. All right. Hi, babies. Isa. You chewing on that toy? What you got? Good girl. Good girl. Get it. Get it. Pounce. And again, we like to get them on the new environments as much as possible, work them through any fear periods. Fear periods in puppies are very normal. Huh? And the only way through is through. Huh? Yeah, can't avoid it. That wouldn't help anybody, would it? Sure wouldn't.